Hello, my name is Dagenais and I'm 12 years old. This is my family, my dad, my little sister, my big brother, my big sister, and my mom and me. This day, we went fishing with my dad, my little sister, me, and my mom. These are my two horses, Caramel and Zumba. This day, it was my birthday, and I just got 12 years old. We are all the siblings in the family, my big sister, my big brother, my little sister, and me. Here's my dad farming in a field. This is me cutting wool of a sheep for the first time of my life. It was so much fun. This is my little sister with a baby sheep. This is us. Me, my mom, my dad, and my little sister in a field. Where I belong, in a field and in a tractor. Why do I belong there? Because my dad needs help driving tractor sometimes. Completed November 17th, 2021. Dagenais. My mom took the photos. I took the music from Spark.